Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Style with Nina. Today I wanted to bring you a video regarding, so there has been, wait a minute, let me see if I gotta adjust. I feel like I'm lopsided. Okay, so today's video is going to be drugstore makeup. So Loreal came out with this new makeup and concealer that's supposed to be, you know, it's getting all these good reviews, and I wanted to try it. So the concealer, where is it at? Okay, so the concealer, you guys, I had to go to like 4 different stores to find the concealer. So I ended up getting 2 colors. One is going to be number 415. I don't know if you can see that. The color is going to be 415 Honey. And then the other one, I'm not going to have to add lighting. I'm trying to use natural lighting, you guys. We're going to see how this goes. And then the other one is the 445 Espresso. I'm going to use this one to contour. And then I got 3 foundation shades because it was hard, y'all. Let me show you the 3. I'm going to put them in order. 515, 520. So I got 515, 520, and 525. And do y'all see how close the shades are? So I just decided to get all 3 of them, and whichever don't work, I'm taking back. That's the one amazing thing about Target, is you can take the stuff back. So I've already prepped my face. I did a little bit to my eyes, but the focus of this whole video is going to be the Loreal. So if you guys don't know, I tend to spend, using my foundations costs a good $40, and I believe these were like $12. So if I can find, you know, a way to save a little bit of coin and it gives me the finish that I want, that's what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and swatch these. So this one is the 515. I don't know where I should be looking. Okay, so 515. $5.15 looks like it may work. Let's do 520. $5.20 looking a little too dark. This one is looking like it may be too light. This one looks a little too dark. So let's see what 525 looks like. Let's just do 525 on this side. So what do you guys think? So I'm going to use 515, and on one side I'm going to use a brush, and then on the other side I'm going to use what am I trying to say? So on one side I'm going to use a brush, and then on the other side I'm going to use a sponge. So what I'm thinking is that 515 may work because I'm thinking it may oxidize. So we're gonna see if 515 works. that would be amazing. So I'm liking the finish, you guys. It's reminding me of almost like NARS Sheer Glow. So what you think? I think 515 may work. I think I could work with 515. It's a little, it's got some funky undertones. I don't know if they're yellow or I don't know if it's the lighting. So like in person, it looks good. In person, 515 looks good. On camera, it's doing something weird. Okay, so let's go ahead. And so right now I've only used, this will be my third pump. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to do the sponge. And you guys do know that when you use sponges, they suck up product. I have a lot of videos to take today. So we're gonna do a wear test as well and see how this goes. The lighting is changing, you guys. I'm trying to use natural light, but it's too unpredictable. Okay. So what side do you guys like? Me, I like this one better. So I am going to just use one more pump. And I am going to take my brush and just even it out. To me, when you use a brush, it gives it a more flawless finish to me. So I'll use the brush. And then I'm liking 515. I am. And then I'll take the sponge and kind of buff it out a little bit. I want to make sure you get your neck. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. I'm just going to do a light coverage just to see how it wears. I may do one. Let's do one more pump. So this would have been my 5th pump. I'm a full coverage girl, y'all. I am. I want to make sure you get that hairline. But what's been happening with me, you guys, is because I'm wearing my hair natural, it's like foundation is getting in my hairline, so that's annoying. Okay. That's that. And what I'm really excited to use, and if you don't know, I'm pretty sure Loreal and Lancome are owned by the same company. So for example, when Lancome has a product launch, if you pay attention, Loreal tends to follow that same launch. So some people say it's the same product. I don't think it's the same product. I think that is very similar though. So if you want to save a few coins and you like Lancome, try Loreal. Okay, so this is what everybody's been raving about in the blogger world, and that is this Loreal. This is supposed to be comparable to like Shape Tape, Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm trying to do full face Loreal, but I can already tell this is not bright enough. I'm gonna use a little bit more. So the wand is very big. That's one thing I do like, the doe foot applicator, I should say. is a nice size. It is, you guys. So it's the same size of like Tarte Shape Tape. So we're gonna blend this out and see what happens.
You gotta make crazy faces when you're doing your makeup. That's just what happens. I hope the lighting is good enough. Hopefully I don't have to re-record this.
Okay, so it's working out pretty good. It's really good for if you like that natural look. Okay. And then the tip, you guys, when you're doing your concealer, you want to bring it all around the nose, under your nose. But you don't want to add more. Whatever's on the sponge is what you use, and that just brightens up your whole face. Okay, so what do you guys think? Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. If I was really doing my makeup, like really beating that face, I feel like the concealer is not popping. This is a really good natural face, so like an everyday face, and I'm not mad at that. So I could always go in and add my handy dandy. When all else fails, LA Girl Pro Longwear in Fawn will set you straight. So I'm gonna just do one side so you can see the difference. So this is straight all L'Oreal, and then I'm gonna just add just a little bit, because I would go back and get the next shade up from this concealer, but it's like it ain't nowhere near in the same range. So it's going to look, that's when it starts looking ashy. Can y'all see the difference? This side is just a little brighter. Now in person I can see the difference. This camera, which I don't know how I feel about it, I don't know if it has that, I'm feeling like it has that blurring effect, or I don't know, but it's just a little brighter, just a little bit. Make this video quick because y'all don't really be checking for my makeup videos, so this is just something I want to try out. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'll be back. So hey you guys, I am back. I just took my hair down, and I must say I am really liking this L'Oreal foundation. It is reminding me of really like a NARS Sheer Glow. It has a really good coverage. It feels good on the face. It's supposed to be, it's called L'Oreal Infallible up to 24 hours of fresh wear. So I may do a wear test. It just all depends on if I remember, I'm gonna be honest. But I can just tell by how it feels that it is a, seems like a good coverage foundation. So I'm gonna just try to get close. The lighting is awful at this point, so I'm gonna have to bring out my studio lights. But yeah, it has a really good finish to it, which is really, really hard to find with drugstore makeup. Is that Laura Mercier, that NAR, you know what I'm saying? There's a certain finish that to me the drugstore foundations lack. Well, this one has it. So I am pretty sure this is a dupe for something. I just don't know what yet. Right now I'm going to say NARS, but it actually has a better, NARS can be a little bit too shiny, and it's not. So it has the right amount of freshness, making you look open. You know, I'm a woman of a certain age, still snatched, still cute, but it looks fresh. It gives me that not deceased look that some makeups can do. So it's a thumbs up for me. I'll leave everything in the description box below. Make sure you stay stylish and stay fabulous, and until next time, mwah. Love you guys. So what you think? I don't know what the lighting is doing, but listen, I'm gonna go back. But yeah, I like it. It's a yes for me. I may be saving some coins, especially in the summertime. This would be a good, to me, summer foundation. It's only, you know, less than $15, and you looking cute. And I half did my face, like I ain't really beat it, but it still looks nice. So okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. Love you guys. Till the next video. Mwah.